Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
And we have kick-off Turanga-nui with the deep kick-off here. Ahurir, they'll look to spread the ball wide early. And broken through a couple of tackles, and Turanga-nui want to be careful them up and push them back, and they do a great job. Pick and go, and that's a great try from Turanga-nui. Ahurir, they just need to stay on their feet at more time. And they do go to McLaughlin, and they've got possession. Turanga-nui haven't really committed, but now they do. And they can go forward now, Ahurir. And they're very close. They're going to get over here. That's a try to the forwards now. Turanga-nui, they're 5 metres out. And they do go wide to their number 3 here. That's McGee, and a pick and go here from Turanga-nui, and he reaches out. And the referee calls try, so... Ahurir, they've used their midfielders, especially the number 25, and fortunately I haven't got his name, but it's a big strong carry for Ahurir. He's just gone off the back and he's straight under the post. So Ahurir do take the lead. Good initial hit, Ahurir. They've pushed forward again off the back here through their number 8, and it's a chip over the top. It's a risky play, but the ball has bounced towards. But we got a break here for Turanga-nui. It's bounced perfectly for the number 10. But Ahurir, they're scrambling here, and they've gained possession. They're linking up here, and that's a great work here from Ahurir. The number 25, he carries towards halfway. Out on the edge, Ahurir possession. It's a box kick from the replacement scrum half. But the ball bounces into the end zone, so as long as they haven't given the ball back towards their forward. So again, if he holds the ball there and just continues to go, he can go. And they do just that. So that's smart work there from Ahurir. They were able to learn. As we close out the second half, Thomas, he approaches. And that's a great kick there. As we close out the second half, Thomas, he approaches. And that's a great kick there. And that's the game over. Etefano, well done to both sides. It was very close. In fact, Turanga-nui with the lead at half time.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this.